Hello everyone, this is Aisha Sheikh and wishing you all Eid Mubarak. So I'm going to show you how to apply henna at home. Holding a henna itself is a big task, and how do we hold that? I've already used half of it. So all you need to do is, as you finish, just push it forward and roll it. This is how you're going to hold. I've seen most of them, they hold the henna down here like the pen, or else you can also hold it over here on top. I hold it this way between my two fingers, and then I start pressing. So that's how I do. And I'm going to use bottle caps to apply henna, and it's going to be super duper easy. You're going to love it, and anyone can apply henna, trust me. Okay, let's get started. I've taken 3 bottle caps, the big one, the medium size and the small size, and a few cotton buds, that's also called as Q-tip, and a henna cone. Right? So I'm going to hold the henna cone like this, because since I've already used, I'm going to push it forward, and this is how I hold the henna. Okay, like this, and this is the support. And these 2 fingers are the ones which are going to press the henna from top. Okay, now what do? I take the big one, okay, the big bottle cap, and I start drawing circles. Come on, circles. This one went a bit flat. It's okay, I believe. Now we're going to take it out slowly. Yes. And take a Q-tip, okay, and start pushing it inward. You see that? Easy. Very easy. Slowly, and if there's extra, just rub it off. Perfect. And have a nice dot inside. Next, I'm going to take this one, and I'm going to do the same thing. Okay, put it out slowly. Yeah, yes. Now take the Q-tip again and repeat the same method. Inward. Inside I will have a round circle. Okay, a spiral kind of thing. All you need to do is just apply pressure and let the henna spill out in the cone. And now take this and make a big. I can have one more here. This time I'm planning not to use the bottle cap. Instead, I'll do it with my hand.